Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng weekly reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Okay, so alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito gamit ang ating tarot card po. Okay? Reminder lang na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine energies na lalabas dito. Okay? And kung may mga naririnig kayong background noises, Pisces, pasensya na. Okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to, sa linggong ito? Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito? 6 of Swords and 5 of Swords. So, merong something na paglayo, Pisces, or parang rough road sa inyong dalawa, especially about mentality or parang more on sa isip, okay? So, pwedeng tatlong tao yung nandito, Pisces, and dalawa yung taong naglalakad palayo. Okay? Kasi nakikita nyo, sa bangkang nandito, tatlo sila. Tapos meron tayo dito tatlong tao na naglalakad palayo yung dalawa. Okay? So, it means parang nasa medyo, anong tawag nito? Rough road. Yung sitwasyon niyo po, dealing with these people right here. Okay? And meron kasing parang lumayo or nakita mo yung totoong kulay or something like, sige nga, sige. Meron itong connection about something na intellectual, Pisces, or pag-overthink, pwede din, anxiety, or something like more on thinking, kumbaga. Okay? So, or pwede meron kang nalaman, meron itong ginawa, parang ganon. Okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito? Pwedeng you're dealing, merong hindi makatulog, Pisces. And again, overthinking, more on thinking tayo ngayon, lalo na't puro swords tayo. And pwedeng you're dealing with air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? Sun, Moon, or Rising po. So, eto, nakikita niyo yung pagkasunod-sunod, Pisces. Etong sitwasyon na nandito, pwedeng mag-asawa kayo, Pisces, or pwedeng live-in partner kayo and merong batang involved dito, and pwedeng medyo, nakikita nyo yan, yung bangka dito, Pisces, dalawa yung klaseng tubig. Yung isa dito is medyo maalon, and yung isa naman dito is parang matiwasay, malinaw, okay? Kaso, nung pagpunta dito, parang namamangka sila galing dito, papunta dito sa may isla, sa may kabilang lugar. And pagka darating nila dito, medyo may mga nangyari na parang merong arguments, pwede pong ganon, or conflict, okay, na nag-cause ng hindi makatulog. Pwedeng ikaw yung hindi makatulog, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na hindi makatulog, okay? Nakikita niya yan, umiiyak siya sa kwarto niya, nakahiga siya dito. Okay, hindi siya makatulog. Okay, nakikita niya yan. Madilim yung paligid. Okay, so, ang bigat naman. Ang bigat ng reading ng tatlong cards na nandito. So, ano pa yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito? Mga gabay mensahe po para kay Pisces sa linggong ito. Tinatawag ako ng saglit lang. Tinatawag ako nitong The Mystic Red Rose Oracle Cards. Alamin natin. So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito? Mga gabay mensahe. Pasensya na sa background noises, Pisces. Karmic relationship, resentments and triggers, perception, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. And yung heart dito, Pisces, is broken. Okay, so bigat naman. Pwedeng merong separation. Okay? Or parang merong resentment or something like parang pagsisisi. Okay, na merong turmoil na nangyari and which is nag-cause ng fleeting. Ito na yon, okay, letting go. Okay, so merong arguments na nangyari, Pisces, and merong isa, but meron tayo ditong Phoenix, new phase and rekindle. Pwedeng magbabati kayo, Pisces. Merong bagong journey para sa inyong dalawa kasi rekindle is something like reunion. Okay, renew, pwede din, okay? And growth, change mind, rise from ashes. So, kung ano man yung nandito, Pisces, sa apat na nandito, there's a big possibility for you na, alam mo yun, mag-rekindle sa kung sino man yung dinidil nyo po, okay? Mag-renew, new phase together with this person, kung gusto mo man, okay? Pero, you have to know your boundaries, Pisces. You have to know na hindi sa lahat ng bagay kailangan mong ibigay yung trust mo, lalo na't meron sigurong trust na nasira dito, okay? Charmed or used, enable boundaries. You have to know, you have to put some boundaries together with these people right here. Pwedeng ito ay someone na katrabaho mo po, karelasyon, kaibigan, family member, okay, kung sino man ito na alam mo yun, kailangan mong, posibleng there's a rekindle na mangyayari, pero you have to know your boundaries, Pisces, okay, and alam mo yun, medyo mabigat yung nandito, yung mga cards na nandito, Pisces, so kuha siguro tayo pa ng iba pang cards sa linggong ito, kunin natin to. Page of Swords, again, there's a swords na naman, so there's a big possibility na you're dealing with someone na air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? And this person or you is stalking to another person, okay? Kasi this person is like gathering some information, looking at you from the far, or ikaw yung nangi-stalk, Pisces, pwede pong ganon, okay? So, ano pa po yung message nyo po? Ano pa yung posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito? And again, puro tayo swords dito, Pisces. So, it's all about thinking. It's all about in mind. It's all about, hindi siya emotion, kundi sa intellectual, okay? Kumbaga, there's a big possibility na meron pag-uusap na mangyayari. Okay, magkakasundo, lalo na't meron tayo ditong rekindle and nasundan ng Ace of Swords after this Page of Swords, after this talking, after this, you know, looking from afar. It's either ikaw yung makikipag-usap, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na makikipag-usap sa'yo and merong, anong tawag nito? Merong, explanation, ha? Ang tagal kong ayun po, explanation. Ang tagal kong inisip yung word na yun, okay? So, merong mag-e-explain sa ibang tao. Pwedeng ikaw yung mag-e-explain sa kanya or siya yung mag-e-explain sa'yo, okay? Pero mabibigyang lunas sa kung ano man yung nandito, Pisces, okay? So, this person is thinking so much about you, Pisces, or you're thinking so much to this person, and this person or you will try to reconnect after niyang mangistalk sa'yo, okay, or ikaw mangistalk sa taong to, okay, and there's something na the Tower, ayan no, may nasira talaga, Pisces, may nahulog, may nasira, okay, so sige pa. After this, the Tower, ano pa yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces and this person na dinidil niya? There's a Six of, after the, ayun, ito yun, no, turmoil, Pisces, ito yun, the Tower, okay? So, after this situation right here, na falling apart, separation, okay, na nag-cause ng ganito, naging ganito yung sitwasyon, it's either ikaw yung nangi-stalk or you're dealing with someone na nangi-stalk sa'yo na will try to communicate, will try to talk to you, will try to explain, okay, and will try to you know, to reach out, okay, and mabibigyan siya ng lunas kasi dito, the Tower kasi is, nasundan kasi siya, akala ko dito lang, pero after the Tower, nasundan siya ng Six of Wands, ibig sabihin, it's something like parang victory, or it will turn out to be better situation. Okay, magiging maayos, masusolusyonan. Okay, kumbaga, merong magandang mangyayari sa huli, Pisces. Okay, so, medyo intense yung nanditong mga cards natin, Pisces, sa linggong ito. So, kuha pa tayo ng, kung meron pa pong mensahe, yung cards natin. Ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa linggong ito? Ayan. Seduction and, this person misses you so much. And this person is so attracted to you, Pisces. Okay? Attraction, teasing, meron tayo ditong seduction. You are attractive to this person, or this person is so attracted to you, or you are attracted to this person, okay? Meron ding hooking up and date, third party, temptation. Pwedeng meron connection sa third party po, pero kung wala naman, this person is so attracted to you, this person finds you so hot, you find this person so hot, this person is so this person finds you so attractive. Ay, alam mo yun, yung parang passion. Okay? And this person, yes, this person is missing you so much, Pisces. Or you're missing this person so much. Kasi ayan, no, Page of Swords in the picture. Ito kasi sinabi ko is stalking. Stalking. And picture is all about looking at your picture, missing you, nostalgia, making new memories. So, yeah, namimiss ka ng taong to or namimiss po yung taong to, okay? And it's either you or you're dealing with someone na makikipag-reconnect, okay? So, bottom of the deck is grounding, stability, security, performance, growth, and endurance. So, mas stable sa kung ano man yung reconnection na mangyayari to you and to this person, Pisces. Okay, so kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa linggong ito. Meron tayo ditong moreno, morena, new person, coffee and tea, offer, straight hair, kamag-anak, motor, visa, okay, dark hair, letter, salo-salo, mabait. Meron tayo ditong letter K, dagat, katrabaho, and pangarap. Okay, so pwedeng nandito, pwedeng wala, it's okay lang. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces for weekly reading. Naway nag-resonate po and naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!